Number 3. Craftsman Wet-Dry Vacuum. Craftsman Wet-Dry Vacuum is the ultimate solution for cleaning up damp ashes and liquid messes with ease. The 16-gallon capacity and wide drainage hole make disposing of liquid contents a breeze. The 2 extension wands and 3 nozzles, including one for wet messes, provide versatility. The built-in rear blower port transforms the hose into a powerful blower for outdoor cleanups. The onboard accessory storage keeps everything organized and within reach. The caster wheels allow for effortless maneuverability, making it convenient to transport to and from storage. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its ability to handle both wet and dry messes effectively. The blower function is a game changer for clearing out leaves and debris in hard-to-reach areas. The onboard storage ensures that all accessories are readily available for any cleaning task. What sets this wet-dry vacuum apart is its exceptional performance in handling wet ashes and liquid messes. The ability to transition from vacuum to blower makes it a versatile tool for various cleaning tasks. The only downside is the lack of a separate wet filter, which means extra care is needed when switching between wet and dry cleanups. Craftsman Wet-Dry Vac is a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient solution for wet and dry cleaning. Check it out for yourself to experience its superior performance.